Hey. Alright, this is a terrible idea. I am knackered. Didn't get much sleep last night, but I need to start sticking to what I say I'm going to do. So, it might not last the full 2 hours, but we'll crack on. So I'm trying to remember what we were doing last time. What were I doing last time? Oh, file upload for the thing, yeah. So I'm going to take a step back a bit, and I want to do I'm going to start with the stages of the application. So since I'm keeping it simple for now, my plan for this is to, you log into your company, on your company page, if I've created one, I can't remember, you'll be able to define the application process for your company. To start with, I'm going to do that as one process for all jobs. You'll be able to change that in the future. But to start with, we'll just do one set of things for all jobs. Something like that in the future. Hey, I am tired, mostly. And I noticed on my little camera, nice and red and blotchy. Nice rosy cheeked. This is going to go really well. Nah. Part of the reason I've done this is actually to stay awake. Because otherwise I'll sit on the sofa and I will actually fall asleep. And I sleep terribly enough that if I have like half an hour nap, I won't sleep till about 4 AM. So I have to be careful with that. So yeah, stage of the application. We'll do it one for the company, so I'm going to do that first and see how I get on before I even think about trying to do anything else. There we are, let's see, so where am I? Chatting. I think the fair term for what I do is normally just chatting utter shit, but I'll see. Since at the company level, I wonder, can I... shooting that. Data types. I just want to know, I'm thinking the best way to store this. I could set up a table to hold details of applications, but since it's basically just going to be sort of a set of steps, stages or whatever, I'm wondering if there's a better way of storing them in the database. Also, if you notice the music's too loud, or let me know. I seem to have messed with my settings at some point and forgot them, so I've had to turn it up loads in here to make it more audible on stream, but I couldn't bother fixing it properly. Potatoes. Let's have a look. Oh dear lord. I just want something simple. I could just store it as a string and just... Jason, that's what I want. Not Jason, basically. That'd be handy, wouldn't it? I just want the simplest way, and I'm not good enough to be doing this. Let's see, Jason. Oh. Jason B. What was that? PickleType. Saw that that. So can I just set up an object for it? Oh no. Oh, stop, go back. Python Dix. I feel like I should have researched this a little bit before starting the stream. Because this could just turn into about 20 minutes of me just going, huh? Which I know is like most of what I do on this anyway, like, but we'll try and minimise it a little bit. At least it's not just me. So they've got a class. It's a type decorator. I wonder if it is just easier to do JSON. Okay, so I'm doing the stage of an application. So as a company, you want to know when you're applying for a job, I'd like to know up front what the stage of the application is going to be anyway. And then on the company side of things, you need to be able to progress people through those stages. So like, I don't know, like telephone interview, technical interview, things like that. Just the different stages that are involved. And I'm trying to think the best and the easiest way to get started with it. So for ease sake, I'm thinking instead of having a separate table or anything like that, we'll have one, for per company, it'll have one set of stages, and that'll be the stages that are available to, they just apply the blanket to all their jobs for the time being, and in the future move to different stages for different jobs kind of thing. But I think that's good enough to start with. Oh yeah, that doesn't really make sense, I think. Company should be able to define. Yeah, so instead of doing it per job posting, I'll do it company-wide, applied to all jobs. And then you can, later on, you can define different sets of interviews or whatever. So I'm just trying to think the best way of storing these things. So I'm thinking of just modifying the company table to add them onto that. And it's essentially, I think, just going to be a dictionary kind of, I guess, or a list of objects or something. I could do it as a JSON file, say to S3, but I thought I might as well tie it into database with everything else. I mean, you could do that. I've seen a lot of worse things. I've probably done a lot worse. Well, to be fair, the last time I did this, files are being saved to my computer right now because I haven't gone logged into S3 or anything. But yeah, so I'm just trying to decide what the best way of storing it is, really. I'm not that familiar with SQLAlchemy. Or databases in general, really. You work with them all that much. So I just want to be able to store an object or something. Hey man, how are you doing? Never, man. They will not hold up to much, I don't think, as it stands. Yes, I think this PickleType seems to be the way to go, really, doesn't it? Yeah, he just wants to break my website. That's all he's after, really. He's not going to take much. Yeah, that's. I did have. Just want to really. I was within steel based on that. Okay, let's just base it on this and we'll see what happens. Let's go. So shall I? Right. So this is just off topic a little bit, but this is something that's really been annoying me with VS Code. So I'm going to activate my virtual environment because I just opened the project as a whole, not the API. But when I open fucking anything else in VS Code, it activates this virtual environment, and I have no idea why. It'll activate it anywhere else except when I want it to. Stupid. Anyway, off topic a bit. What was the command? Well, yeah, you're glad that I'm annoyed. It's on brand for you, I guess. Limbic revision. To be fair, there's been a lot of pain in my eye most today. They hurt because they are tired. Also, I can't even remember how to modify. Anyway, I can't remember how to modify a table anymore. I want to alter to new column, don't I genuinely can't remember anything today. This is going to be tedious. Add column. Oh, that looks like it, guys. Let's have a look. Oh shit, no. I don't know how to do that. I'm trying not to destroy it every time. But yeah, pretty much. I'm trying to at least get a few through in between trashing it every time. Yeah, I genuinely can't remember anything today. I'm really struggling with everything today. Work were awful. There we go. Well, that were obvious. Great. Yeah. I fell asleep at about 4 AM in the guest bedroom. Because my wife was also working today, so I didn't see point both of us being exhausted. Don't want an old column though. Oh, that's old column shit. Done it again. So what is Alembic? Oh, add column. Oh yeah, I knew it'd be easy. Just nothing's easy for me today, if that's not clearly obvious. So it's not going to the applications table, I'm going to add it to the companies table. Just call it interview stages. But then it's going to be this PickleType thingy-majiggy. Technical term that I've closed on a fuck's sake. Where's that one? No. I think, well, the weather hasn't changed here. It's exactly the same, it's just grey and miserable. That doesn't change very often. Just want to vary. I thought of that one. Yeah, it is miserable in the UK. It's going to get worse. There we go. So this is sort of what I'm after. Oh, okay, so I think instead of SA string, is it just PickleType? I'm guessing it's drop column. Is it drop column? Oh, I'm so bad at this. No. Oh god. Oh shit, well I click there. Yeah. Okay, I thought it was. I didn't even switch off, I did that, but yeah. It's fine. Is it gonna be that? Or do I have to do it as the column? Table name, column name. Yeah, that's easy. Okay. Okay, let's pretend like I know what I'm doing. So let's spin it up. So let's start Docker on your computer. This is a good start. Didn't mention how bad this is going to go today, right? Okay, try that again. It also helps you run the right command. Double whammy. Okay, and then new terminal. Into the API. Alembic upgrade head. Looks okay. It's got something there on it, so we'll count that as a win. And then I need to add. Just a second. My dog's complaining. I think that'll be involved next week. My wife's working nights, and when I'm probably going to do the. I'm going to be trying to find the Balmer Peak. So if I go back, I don't think that actually wants to be just PickleType. It's to here, they've set their own type. So I think it's the same time I need to check what my wife's shifts are. Since she's working nights, next week I'll just move things around so that I stream the nights she's working. But a difference will be I'll probably end up doing longer streams, I think, rather than just 2 hours. So like if it's this time next week, I'll start at about 8, but I'll probably be on to about midnight just getting shit-faced and destroying this code base more than it already is. Are you off at work next week? Ah, nice one. Loads of people are off from work for next week or two over Christmas, basically. I've got 0 time off, so my next day off is Christmas Day. Okay, so I think, based on this, I don't think I even need to define I don't think I even need to define my own object types. I'm going to try and get away without doing that. So if I just set it as PickleType, let's see what happens. My wife's favourite show, Grey's Anatomy. Apparently she loves Christina. I have no idea. There's only, as far as I'm aware, there's only 2 good hospital-based shows, and that's Scrubs and House. Okay, so company. Class days, I don't know. Database. It will be an authorized route. Dude, I am not letting you anywhere near these APIs. You'll destroy my website. Stages again. Besides, to be fair though, it has to actually be deployed for you to be able to do anything to it, so I'm off to a decent start. Because it's not anywhere. So something like that. Naming is terrible, but that's fine. So let me service. To be fair, because I have recorded literally every bit of work, you could, if you wanted to torture yourself enough, go through and recreate everything and then test it. I wouldn't, but you could. No, but the only secrets really are the ortho ones. So you just set up your own ortho and point it to that. You can still load test it that way. But like I said, I think the biggest issue there is that someone would have to actually pay attention and listen to everything I've done, which must be horrific. I don't know how anyone's actually watching this. Masochists, I imagine. And yeah, there's that problem where no one actually understands the words I'm saying. Alright, so how do I do an update? Can you pull out an entity framework, you can pull out an item with tracking. So your query through entity framework, you get the object, you can just update values and commit, but I don't know if it's the same in SQLAlchemy. Apparently it is. Oh, but it's a bad way to do it. Ah, so you can just do an update. I like that, let's do that. That looks good, that looks easy. So db query company. And something like that. What's the worst that could happen? It's just Nikki's example, see what I have to write. To be fair, I might as well just pass through the object and do some validation later on it. So if you just do it like that. And then just return error none. Why not? I'm gonna have to update the schemas a bit because it's not gonna be response based, I don't think. I mean, sorry, not request based. Request base is a name, see, I don't want that. So this is gonna be no, stages based. Stages request. Stages update request. Excellent naming. Let's go for it. What is that gonna have? That's just literally just gonna be a list, I guess. So if I do class interview stage, then each stage will have, I don't know, call it a title and a brief description. So the title will only really be displayed, it'll be mostly for when you're looking through columns, say as a company or whatever. So you can see this user's in this stage or yada yada yada. But when you're looking for jobs, you want to see these are the stages and this is what's involved, so I'll add a description. And then this will just have, literally just have a stage, which will be a list of interview stage. And then I'll do that bit, I think. Okay, so let's update the front end. Let's see what we've got on the front end. This is built. There's so much confidence in me right now. So I'm gonna log in. Oh, that's slow. Probably makes you slow until you pay for it. Fake. Okay, so I go to my dashboards there. I really do need to think through the UI, but I'm thinking for now, I might just, same as I've got like create job up here or something, I might just have a define interview stages button for now. Take you to another page, update, bring you back here kind of thing. crap but basic, and it gets us moving. So, company update page. Hang about. Where's this? Probably should do that, shouldn't I? But that really was, it weren't exactly true. Ah, fuck it. I'm just going to add something. I'm going to worry about how that's structured next time, I think. There's a lot of professionalism on the stream today. Yes, I will want that. Most of that. Okay. This is going great. Fuck it. YOLO. Yeah, I'll have to add in something to get the current interview stages as well. Just get access to hospitality. Oh, that's a terrible idea. If that's just going to go back if there's any kind of response, even if there's an error. Could have done some bad crap. Trying to think how this is going to work. So. So we'll have to be able to, you don't want to predefine this so you can only have up to 7 stages or up to 2 or 3 or whatever stages. Although if you've got more than X amount, you are an idiot. So you want some way of like clicking add an extra one, so I need to sort that out. And then you can go through and say, well, yeah, I want another one, yeah, I want another one, yeah, we want another one. I'm not sure how best to do that. Where's that for that mapping stuff? It's gonna be something like this. If I put something like that in here, then you'd have a label, stage name. Else you spell things properly, isn't it? It's a label, not a ladle. And an import. Another label. Then you can just do it on this, so we'll say How bad is it going to be if I base that on stages itself? And then have an add stage. Where we just say, how do I use that? I've genuinely forgotten how to say anything. What do you call it? Something like that. And then we can add that to a button. Just that's a new stage and new stage, and in theory it should update this. Fortunately, I can test that before doing too much. In so we can get to it. Company stages will do. Not long till that Cyberpunk game comes out 3 years ago. Let's add the service stuff as well. That'll do for now. Oops. Oh well. Okay, so I need to add a link to it. Put on the dashboard for now. Actually, I'll print it now. Let me print the dashboard. That was already a mess. Nearly everything's a mess. I really need to sort this out now. Okay, how far off are we? It looks terrible, but it's there. Stage of that map is not a function because I didn't initialize it as an empty array, I think. Okay. So if I click this, in theory, I should get some new fields added. I did not. It literally does nothing. Let's find out why. So it's adding some console logs. So I have no idea if this is a terrible idea or not. Oh! They're back all of a sudden. Okay, so it is adding, it's just not updating the page. Which is weird. It's sort of the point of the set stage kind of thing. It's on dynamic list. Not sure. So that's what using no use state. There I am. But that's not working. I don't know why it's not working, but I am. You can see I'm updating. Oops, wrong button. You can see I'm updating the stages, and that's where it's mapping. But that's just not quite working. I wonder if it's binding thing. It's like I need to roll name, example, and roll description. I need to do that? Because this could get trickier. Same behaviour. Didn't think this would be the bit I get stuck on. I'm not doing that because I am passing it new. Unless it's because I've taken a copy. But I'm adding to it, so it's not the same. So I'm not sure the problem is here. Except for the problem being React. Should have stuck to array there. Is this a problem? I've thought about it, but it does seem like a colossal waste of time, doesn't it? Although everything I've written's trash, so maybe not. Yes, I'm not sure why this isn't re-rendering. Everything I've seen online says as long as you're not passing it the same values, it'll re-render, and I'm not because I am pushing to it before passing again. So it's definitely changed. Sanity check. Yeah. If I did this in class components, I'd probably have it working, wouldn't I? Just I'm using hooks, I think. I don't get why the hook isn't working like I want it to. Especially when that happens, you shove. When I save it, it fucking updates. Trial. Can you push to an existing? That's why I didn't use a const because I didn't think you could. Oh. As if that's a problem. Oh, well, it works. I don't think it's going to quite work though, because I don't think this is going to set the state properly. If I comment out all that, but log out stages. So I can put stage I can't even do it because of how much I've screwed it up. Great. It's because I've done that, but then I need to be able to update the values. So what's the best way of doing that? So I've just got this array of objects. I want to update a single item, a single part of a single item in the array every time you make a change. And apparently I can't just do a two-way bind. What's everyone else do? Passing the value, okay. Can I do that? How do I do that? Desk in brackets. Try main experience once again. Okay, so try that. Oops. There'll be something very similar for updating this. Updating the description. Trust me. And then it's the on change. Oh, I've got one of them somewhere. Yoink. Update name. Update description. Okay, let's see how that looks. Yeah, that's good. Cool. So that looks like it's great how I want it to. And then, yeah, let's just double check the full output at the end. So this will be stage. Oh, should I get rid of that? No. has, so save your changes. There's that pro tip. So have stage 1, stage 2 with a description, another description. If I press submit, all it should do is log out of the object, prevent the default, and all it'll do is print it out. Trust me. Try again, stage 2. Banging. Alright, so that works. So the next bit is to actually try and pass it to the API and see how badly I've broken it. Back in 2 seconds, and then I'll try and crack on with that bit. Okay, sorry about that. Right, so what am I doing? Let's start calling the API and see what happens. Okay, we want that back. I need to do the getting still on top of that, can wait. Right now, we'll just overwrite, that's fine. I'm pretty sure this is not hooked up remotely right, so I'm just going to double check a few bits. Close to the right. So on the API. So I'm expecting an array of named stages. Oh, that's not bad, that's better than I thought it was going to be. And is that going to be right? No. Is it? I don't know, let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going to print it out here and see, because I don't think it's going to run first time, so we'll just see what happens. Let's go. How bad can it go? Did I save that? Okay, so had a few stages. Stage 1, stage 2. What happens if I click submit? Boom, straight away. And unprocessable entity. If I have a look at my request, that one. Okay, so I think what we're sending is fine, but I think what I've done is I'm using this schema. I don't think I want to. I think instead of that, instead of this update request, I think it should instead be a list in here. Maybe. Hang about. Or is it just because I've done that? Might not be yet. It might just be because I'm giving it a name instead of a title. Is that a query parameter? Yeah, you are supposed to do that as a general rule. Oh crap, did that work? Oh good. I'll be terrified if something works first time. Okay, so what's broken? So we got through. Great, that looks good. No, it didn't work. I wasn't expecting it to. I'd have been terrified if it worked first time. My code never works first time. So I think, is it because I've done this first? I wonder if that's what stops it being tracked, the first thing. Let's give it a try. That looks better. No error. Let's just double check my database, see what it looks like. Oh, okay. Select all from companies. Crap. So it's not actually updating anything. Oh, you absolute moron. Commit the change. We're going so well. I mean, it's interchangeable, right, between me and you. Could have gone either way. No, this time it's me that's the idiot. Like, once again, I'm just living up to that name I've given myself. No, never gave. No error was thrown, and crap. Hang about. I just balked everything. Oh, hang about, that was better. Sweet. So let's. Oh, sorry, I'm not even sharing that, am I? Yeah, I keep doing this. Look at that, that's a right mess. So I'm guessing that's my serialized object. So if I do a get, should be, where do I call that? I can't remember what I call it. Get company. Where do I use you? Oh, dashboard does it. Kind of. So it should be returned as part of the company. I just want to see it. So if I go to the home page, that's a different page. I don't know why that even exists. No, it won't, because I didn't set it up to return that, did I? Idiot. Oh I really just wanted to make sure it really serializes properly. Schemas, response base, company response, returning ID and name. Yep. So on here, take that for now. Oops. Broke it. Internal server error. Cool. I'm guessing it's probably schema related again. That's my guess anyway. We started some print shit in. It's found it, so yeah. Code dot. What did I call them? Oh, terrible. Two stages. Okay, let's refresh that again. So it does store them, right? And that is a list of in 2 stages. So why doesn't that deserialize properly? So this is just me not knowing the schema stuff very well again. And that looks right to me. No error. So what have I broken? Company response. What? What is that? Oh, I just thought it was there. So I mean, it is just the schema mapping I've screwed up, but I kind of want that to work. I'm not sure why it's wrong. Let's compare. So it should have an ID, a name, aha, that could be it. Company. That might be it. Just double check. No. Oh no. But it's got... Is it because it's the PickleType thing? Let's have a quick look, see if there's anything on the Fast API. Did I just balk the sound? Yeah. Finger slipped. So I'm wondering if it is because of that, and instead of I should have to use a PickleType? To me, that should be able to deconstruct into a list of these. So I've got my list, my array. Each one's got this interview stage of a name and a description. So that looks fine. So why have I broken it? This has been half my problems with Fast API, I think, has been the response schemas. I wonder if this is why some of them have done the like custom class instead of using PickleType, so they can do serialization, deserialization stuff. So what if I try and fudge it just to see what happens? So if I did response start interview I just want to see what happens here. What happens there? Okay, yeah, so that works. So it's something about the deserialization of that. It's essentially the same structure, but the difference is I've got this. Compared to that. So I need to find a way to go from one to the other. Yeah, so I think that's it. Because they've done this. I'm beginning to think this might not have been the simplest way of storing things, but I'm going to give that a try anyway. Maybe? Should I? So I've got PickleType. That's my best guess, is it's something around that, but I'm not sure on the best way of handling it. If I should define my own thing here, so I'll do my own class. They've got something like this on them. That's not the same, actually, that's wrong. So that's just defining your own custom objects, I think. So this PickleType. So I'm just using this PickleType wrong. And I just need to figure out why I'm using it wrong. Ah, there you go. Can I just do that then? That'd be nicer. In column. Can I just do that? This doesn't seem like it's going to work. I mean, it could be the case that because I've balked it elsewhere. So let's just double check. I want to update companies set. Okay, so I'm just going to try creating some again, just see if it changes how things are stored a bit. Just curious if that's the issue. Didn't create. Dump stakes to one position item where 2 were given. So yeah, that was too simple. Yeah, I really feel this is going to take the rest of my time today. Let's try this. Let's try extending it a bit. See what happens. So I'm just going to go through and create one again. I'll try to. That's the same error. Yeah. This was supposed to be the easy way of doing things. Big Googling again. I don't like it. What have I done? So I can store things but I can't get them, which is not good. I'll try it. No. I really doubt that's going to make a difference, but I'm tired and I can't think straight, so that should save. Broke that now. End usage now accept. Oh yeah, I also broke it, didn't I? Really should put that back. Yeah, that had to be there late though. Okay, so I've got a different error. That's something, isn't it? Into stages does not accept objects of type. Stages update request. That's on the get. So it's not even hitting these print statements anymore. It's like here there's a problem now. Here. Okay, get that. Oh wait, or is it? Oh no, yeah. Well, that. No. I don't get what this error means. It shouldn't have even tried to convert anything at this point. It should be hitting here. It's not even hitting that far. So it's a deeper issue. So then is it this? Into stages does not accept objects of type. Schema stages update request. Stages update request. What the hell is it on about? I'm not even trying to update a stage though. This is a get operation. That's the only place it's used on put. The hell? going off here? No idea what I've done here. I have broken everything, and the errors don't make sense to me. Alright, you're taking piss now. Can't get this attribute. Why is it trying to? Because the only place it's in is in the commented out endpoint. I'm rerunning because that can't be right anymore. It's not used. It's literally gone everywhere and he's still complaining about it. Didn't mind before when the errors were making sense. This ain't going well, is it? This is not going well at all. We're ready yet? An error's fine. Gee, what? What the hell? You can't just ignore commented out code. I'm so confused about what the hell is going off now. If I delete that, that is not mentioned in the code now at all. So how can it tell me that there's an issue with that when it's not there? Only thing I can think of, if I connect to the database, is if that is stored corresponding to that type. It's the only thing I can think of that can cause anything like this. Oh, you've not missed anything other than me having a bit of a breakdown here. This is not going well. Yeah, my eyes hurt. I mean, it's down to the tiredness, but it might help a bit. Yeah, that's all they do. They're really cheap. So like they don't even sit straight at all or anything like that. But they cost about £3. I'm screwing everything up around the database side of things. Right. Start this again. Oh. Right, let's create some interview stages. Oh god. So, I've got this lofty goal in my head of working for myself, which is great, but I need a way to make money, and I've never really managed to do that outside of a normal job. I've got some money saved, so I could quit my job and try at it for a year or two, but I ain't got the stones for that without already making money first. So you kind of need to be pushed into that kind of a thing. Now, the good thing about this stream is that if any employer watches me, they will never hire me again. I think if anyone watches this, I'm becoming slowly unhireable, which has got to be a step in the right direction for me. Yeah. So that's balked it, doing this mutable list thing. Yeah, so have I, but I don't think they publicly stream and record their idiocy. Unprocessable entity. Why is it unprocessable? They look right. Stages. Oh, I've even broke this now. This worked a minute ago. Hang about. Am I being an idiot though? No. Okay, so yes, it's not staged at all. If it's unprocessable, that means this is broken. Because I'm passing through something called stages. That's why. Okay. So yeah, basically this is not going well. I look like a complete moron. But I'll figure it out. So there we go, so we've saved again. Once more we have data. Actually, okay, so on company response, we no longer hit this. Oh, wrong page. That'll break it. There we go. Yeah, so we still got. So we're back to this square, this initial pain in the ass problem. And if I convert it myself, which I could do, granted, I could write my own little thing. Into something more like that, that works, the above doesn't, which is what's coming back. But I don't know why it can't convert. So I've got interview stages. Together. Sorry, I just need a moment. I'm an idiot. Just thought I'd put that out there. Alright, so that's terrible. So I've got an issue now, and I think it's because of how I've structured things. So I'm going to undo things a bit and probably break it all again. So on the router for the stages, I've got this stages update request, which is this thing. So it's storing it in that format, which when it comes out, you can see there, it's coming out that way. I don't want that. Because now in my response that's returning, you see they got the interview stage, which is great, but then you got this object which has got this array of stages, and that's just that middle bit I don't need. It should be straight into the array. So I think what I need to do, I'll soon find out anyway. Let's get rid of that. So let's take that and do that. That should let me create it that way, and that should let me get it out this way. We'll see if that works. It does not. Fantastic. Unprocessable entity. What did I send over? Because I sent it over as stages. So in service, I just want to send stages, I think. Find out. Nope. What did that look like? Oh, because it didn't change. Wonder why. Why didn't it change? I think that's just a case of doing that, isn't it? Or is it? I think this might just be a lack of JavaScript knowledge. Today's just a lack of knowledge day. It's fine. Yeah, today's just my lack of knowledge. So I think it's how I've done this. Is it that in JavaScript? I want it to actually send the array and not put it in as an object. That's better actually, yeah. Yeah, that looks better, doesn't it? Although it's come through as an object. So do I have to put it in an array myself? Hang about. I am, I believe, an idiot. Let's try that. I know that news will shock everyone watching. Yeah, there we are. I sent it as an object, not an array, because... moron. Okay, so we've got that item in now. And if I go back to the home page to set as a request, that looks better. There we go, that's loads better. I'm not talking to God, man, I'm talking to myself. Okay, before I break anything else, let's commit that. Because that's taking me nearly 2 hours to do. Oh, that's not good. I mean, I'm not even done anything with them. That is literally just like crud kind of crap. Show you how well today's going. Alright, so they're in, they're up. Couple of things I need to do still. So let's try and do those. So I want to get for the stages. So when you go to the page, you don't just want to blindly overwrite what you've got. I want to populate it with what you've got first. So let's try and do that first, and hopefully this won't take me an hour. Don't worry about the response model in a bit. We don't need a request model, you just need, because we just got the one per company. You'll need to know who you are for that. Response model. Actually, you can just get the company, can't you? You don't need to specifically get stages. I'm an idiot. It's already on the company. We've already got that endpoint. Let's just use that. So close others. Let's find one where I've done this before. Ha. That's what I want. Use effect. Don't need that. Oh. Don't want that. Just need that one. I mean, you'll notice that the amount of data this is returned is obscene, and I do need more specific endpoints at some point, because if you end up with a large company, you're going to get a crap ton of info from that endpoint that you don't want. But for now, it'll do for now, kind of thing. And I'll worry about, again, another thing to worry about later. Okay, so something like this. Alright, so it's just set stage, isn't it? So it'll be this output, so I can see. But it should just be set stages, response dot data to interview stages, I think. And because we've already got some here, We should know fairly quick if it's broken or not. Oh, get company is not defined. Good point. Ah, that's a good point. I should add the Trello ticket for that, shouldn't I? Yes. I don't know if it should I add a specific one like do this here, or is it more of a blanket one stream? Start looking at streamlining your endpoints for more specific uses. Because it's a fairly wide-ranging thing we'll have to do throughout, isn't it? So I don't know if I should just have a something like that, and then I can just spend like a couple of hours going through it one by one. Maybe that'll be best. Compiled successfully, and then dashboard. There we go. Now the real question is, does update actually work? Oh, we're only working because we're empty. Let's find out. Just clear everything. Don't see any errors right now until I do it. It seemed to work. If I go back, success. Okay, so I'm going to take that. And we are now getting current interview stages there. Did I miss any? I don't want. Oh. Whoops. That can go. Oh, they're going to go at some point anyway. Just tidy up a few of them. I don't know about my prints there. If I'll any of them in. I think I did. Oh, the errors. Yeah, I thought I'd left some in. Get rid of that. Okay, so next I want to, on the job detail page, if we look at the job's details, let's return its interview stages. So I come in as someone who's not logged in. They're getting job, so I want to see here. Just output here. Response data. I shouldn't need to log out for it, like. Oh, which job belongs to? They all belong to the same company, don't they? Okay, so I need to sort out. Oh, sorry. So that's what's returned so far: description, ID, and title. So I need to sort that out. So job schema. It's going to be, I think. Nope, not that one. The router. Where have I gone? Router that get. It's gone to this job response. Okay, so this one. Just let's see what it is first. Then I'll know how to get the data off it, hopefully. quite what we're after. Well, we want the company, don't we? And then that's going to have interview stages, I think. Yeah. So we need to translate that onto the schema. What's best to do that? So I think if I just add on something like that, that's not going to work, is it? What am I doing? Wrong one. But I don't know if I could import that. And do, say, that. Let's refresh it. Actually, we can. I mean, I want to trim that down again, so I only care about the interview stages. So you can do that, but I'd rather not bring that in just to get one item off it, if I can help it. It might be worth breaking these out into a separate thing if they're going to be used across multiple. So I don't think that'll work. I can try it. Just get that refresh. I think that'll fail, yeah. Well, I've got these three schemas out for applications, companies and jobs. I can just have like an interview stage schema or something like that, just so it's shared among the two rather than pulling in all of company crap for jobs, something like that. But I don't know how to pull out a property from a subclass kind of thing here. I want to flatten the object a bit, don't I? Can I do that? I don't know what to search for this. Flatten. Nested might be better than nested models. Here we go, nested models. Yeah, I don't mind doing that for the company and things. But I don't want to require all that crap through, and I don't want it to be, oh, it's under company, it's under here. I just want it to say, well, just put it on the main object. So I know I can do that, but I don't want it to look like that, if you get me. I don't think that's the best way to have things structured. It doesn't make any sense for me. this alias that people are about. So it might just be you have to specify a path to it, which is fine. Don't mind doing that so much. Come on, come on. Look at this. So I'm wondering, let's just give it a try. Jobs response, interview stage. Don't know if that works there. I don't mind doing something like, I don't think this is quite right. I'm expecting to have to do something like that. Yeah. I need to be covered. Didn't change the monitor for that, did I? I'll show you in a sec. People think it's way more confusing than me. If I just make it a field, then I don't know what's going to happen here. Oops. Come on, there's got to be a way of doing this simply. I don't want to have a company object when I don't need one. I think it's me just not knowing what to search for at this point. Don't like this. This is one of them times where I just can't get things quite how I want it to be. And I'm pretty confident this is just me not knowing how to do something properly. Just because I've not got the experience for it. if I go back a second, so I've got those, maybe if I go to the models. So I've added the interview stages to the company level, which is great. The saving, the reading, they're all going fine. Now I'm wanting to add the interview stages to the job details page. So when you go through the job details, I'm pulling this data through. Excuse me. But I don't want to return a bunch of crap along with the job details. So I've got the standard job response, which basically returns your ID and some of the other info we set, like title, description of the job, stuff like that. Then I'm going to want to tack onto that the interview stages. But because of that, the database is currently, I'd have to bring in the company response schema, and then you'd have your job response would have a company, and then on the company you'd have interview stages. And I just want to cut out that company bit. So instead of having this be like that, have company and then you do company dot interview stages, I just want to have them flattened onto the main object. But I'm not sure how you're supposed to do that with Pydantic. Or typing, I guess. And I think it's just me not knowing how to do something. If I can get, I just want to get this last bit done. Then I'm just going to call it a day, but I don't want to leave this not done. That was on Pydantic. Base set. That would be still a list of interview stage. Be company and type interview stages. Let's try that. See what happens. Error. think this just takes a bit more work than anything else. I think it's going to be something I might have to look at another time. I can't think straight enough for this. I think basically it's just not as simple as just adding a property on. And that's all my brain can deal with right now. Which I thought, to be fair, I thought it would be something that basic. It's not like I'm trying to do anything I'd have thought overly complex or overly unusual. But I might have to leave it for now. And it might be something I'll look up tomorrow or something and fix on Thursday, something like that. I don't think my head's in the right place for anything like this right now. I'm broken today. It's not a good day for us, is it? Come on. I hate leaving something not done though. It's gonna bother me. And then I'll not be able to sleep because it's bothering me. Record company and Tuesday, that works. Bringing in the company response works. Company response interview stages. Stupid here, I know it. I'll try something a bit more basic, so next that's gonna just company can come through fine. Let's always pull off company. wonder if there's a way to make these error messages more descriptive as well, because that's not helpful, is it? And there's nothing returned. You can't put a try catch around it. So I actually want to add that to the backlog as well. I'm guessing there's a debug mode. I don't want to run it with a debug, that'll make Hayden too happy. I just want to see the debug errors. Yeah, miserable if I can actually catch a chuffing exception. Ah, there we go. So it's more response validation, I'm guessing that's a thing as well. Find out, can I? Just wondering if I can actually see the error being output. That's no request. Does that pick it up early enough? Because that's the app itself, and I have to restart for that. I hate it when I can't finish something. That'll eat at me. It's not outputting anything more. Might be a case of having to put my own exception handlers in or something. So even though I've set it to be in debug mode, I'm not seeing a difference. It's not in there. I don't think it's anything about passing it to you, because it should be that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to leave it. I think it's getting late. I barely slept. I'm not making zero, literally zero progress. It's been terrible. It's been a travesty. I hope everyone else is annoyed at myself as I am. So that was not pleasant. But yeah, so I think I definitely need to look into this schema issue, because that's going to keep bothering me. So that'll be top of my list. I'll try and figure that out before the next stream. But we're after that. So if I can get that working, then we can have application stages of the application on the job itself display, which is good. So I think one of the next things to do will then be to make use of those things. Well, you'll need to see if you've got a job post, you need to see who's applied. Then you want to be able to move them through the different stages. So it might be time to look at that afterwards, but we'll see how I get on. But yeah, that schema thing will be next, because that's going to eat at me. But hopefully I'll sleep before next time, and yeah. Anyway, hopefully it went utterly soul destroying, but thanks for joining, and feel free to join my pain on Thursday. So I'll be on the same time Thursday, 8 PM UK time, and I'll fix some shit. At some point I'm going to have to sort out some proper refactoring as well, because the code base is starting to get a bit shoddy. But yeah, cheers anyway, and hopefully I'll see you again next time.